Welcome to Crypto and Cashback. All the announced changes from Plutus are active since the 22nd of January. In this video we will go through all the changes and explain everything you need to know. I am not a financial advisor. Don't take anything I say as financial advice. All videos at my channel only explain the journey I am making and for educational purposes only. Since the 22nd of January, the announced changes from Plutus have become active. We will go through all these changes so you know exactly what this means for you. In addition, we also explain what exactly Plutus is and how you can earn cashback with Plutus's debit card. If you don't have a Plutus card yet and you got excited after this video, you can click the link in the description of this video. I will also add a link in the pinned comment. If you use my link, then you and I will both get 10 USDT in Plu rewards. So let's start with the first change, the cost of the different subscription plans. There are still 3 different subscription plans. The prices have been increased since January 22nd. Starter now costs €7 per month. Everyday costs €10 and Premium costs €20 per month. On this FAQ link you can see that the starter subscription for new customer is free for 3 months. For existing customers it is free for 1 month. So after this month or 3 months, the cost is €7. Everyday costs €10. But note, this is an offer until the 22nd of July. After the 22nd of July, the cost is €15 per month. The same applies to Premium. Now you pay €20, but from the 22nd of July it will be €25 per month. The cashback percentage has remained the same. This is still 3% for each subscription plan. But the rewards caps have been lowered quite a bit. For starter it is now €250, for everyday it is €500 and for Premium €1,000. This means you only get 3% back on the spend you make until you reach the reward cap. For example, for everyday this means you get 3% cashback on the first €500 you spend via the Plutus card. If you spend more than €500, then you will no longer earn cashback on that. This reward cap can be increased by redeeming Plu. I will explain later and also show how this is done. The number of perks has remained the same. For starter 1 perk, for everyday 2 perks and for Premium 3 perks. As you can see, there is a plus sign next to the number of perks these days. From the 22nd of January, the number of perks from your subscription will be added to the perks you get from your particular reward level. If you have a Premium subscription and have reached reward level Hero, you will get a total of 7 perks. I'll explain more about the reward levels later in the video. For those unfamiliar with Plutus and perks. With Plutus, you can choose 1 or more perks. The first €10 per month you spend on the selected perks will be fully refunded in Plu, Plutus's crypto coin. On this page you can see which perks you can choose. How many you can choose depends on your subscription plan and your reward level. But if you choose an everyday subscription, you can choose 2 perks. If you have a Spotify and Netflix account, you can choose to pay for these via your Plutus card. You will then get €10 back in Plu for both perks. You will then have already earned back your entire subscription plan amount and even €5 profit. We continue with the second change, increasing your reward cap. If you have already earned a higher reward cap through one of the promotions, your reward cap has been automatically increased in the meantime. If you want to increase your reward cap by redeeming Plu, you can do so from now on. The following overview shows how many Plu you need to redeem to increase your reward cap. For example, if you redeem 50 Plu, your reward cap will increase by €2,000. This 2,000 must be added to the reward cap of your subscription plan. So if you have an everyday subscription plan and you redeem 50 Plu, your total reward cap will be 500 plus 2,000 equals €2,500. Redeeming Plu can only be done from a MetaMask address. So you must first transfer your earned Plu to your MetaMask account to be able to increase your reward cap. If you don't know what MetaMask is, I recommend you search for it on YouTube first. There are plenty of videos about it. I will now show you how to redeem Plu, for which you have to log in via the browser. I am now logged into my Plutus account on my desktop. As far as I know, it's not possible to redeem Plu using the Plutus app. To proceed, we click on Redeem Plu. After that, we see the following page. At the right part of the screen, I now select Connect to MetaMask. The Plu you want to redeem must be on your MetaMask account. It's not possible to redeem Plu which are on your Plutus account. At the moment I redeemed Plu, there was an offer. You can see that at this screen also. For €1,000 extra reward cap, you have to redeem 10 Plu, instead of 20 Plu. Also, for the other options you have to redeem less Plu. The offer is valid to the 4th of February. I choose the option to redeem 10 Plu. You get an overview. At this overview you can see the current reward cap and also the new reward cap. When everything is okay, you click Confirm Order. This takes a while, but when successful you finally see a confirmation page. Think carefully about the option you choose. Once redeemed, you can't use that option again. After redeeming 10 Plu, it's not possible to redeem 10 Plu again, but you can choose one of the other options like redeeming 25 Plu. But redeeming again is replacing the first one. It's not on top off. So think about the amount you probably will spend with your Plutus card before making a choice. You should look at your average spend. Don't redeem more Plu just because you have one more month of expenses. You won't recoup that. I clicked the Back to Home button and now you can see it's not possible anymore to redeem 10 Plu. Only the other options are available. Then on to the third change, the different reward levels. Plutus added reward levels and lowered the amount of Plu you have to stack per reward level. In this overview, you can see that for a hero reward level, you need to stack 250 Plu. Currently, 1 Plu is worth around €5, so this amounts to an investment of €1250. Because of this investment, you will then get 4% cashback on your spending via the Plutus card and get 4 perks extra. So you can add these perks to the number of perks in your subscription plan. Think carefully whether you think this investment is worth the risk. The Plu exchange rate can of course drop, making your investment worth less. But on the other hand, you will earn more cashback and the price of Plu can also increase. The following page can help you make your right choice regarding subscription plan, redeeming Plu and reward levels. You can enter a subscription plan, a reward level and the amount of Plu you would like to redeem. Then enter the average amount you will spend per month with the Plutus card. In the overview at the bottom of the page, you can then see exactly what the costs are and how much cashback you can earn with Plutus. So with the data I entered, I earn more than €794 cashback per year. This brings us to the end of this Plutus update video. If you want to sign up for Plutus, you can use the link in the description of this video or the pinned comment. You can also scan the QR code which is displayed right now. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if don't want to miss any cashback videos, then you can subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, then add this to the comments of this video. Thank you for watching.